Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's video is another open house video located here in the village of Rio Ponderosa at 1411 Juarez Way. This is in the northern part of the villages. It is located north of Highway 466. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome friends. Thank you for joining my open house tour. This is a wood-framed home. It is a 2-bedroom with a den. This home has been renovated and you will see some awesome features inside. This home also has a swimming pool. It has a brick paver driveway and walkway up to the front door. It is located at 1411 Juarez Place here in the Villages, Florida. You will see that the garage is a 1.5 car garage. It does have a sliding screen door. Those sliding screen doors in Florida are very expensive. The garage also has an epoxy floor in very good condition. It has mechanicals. As always, please refer to the specification sheet for the ages of all the mechanicals and the roof. This home is very clean. It's been recently renovated. Let's take a walk inside in the front door and see what we have. You can see that the roof looks in very good condition. Let's take a walk in and see what this home has to offer. Here we are in the living and dining room area, and the first thing I notice is the awesome laminate flooring. I'll pan to the left, and you can see a den area with sliding barn doors. And when I pan to the right, I see a living quarters for your guests. Let's take a walk into the guest area. You will see it has a bathroom off to the left and a bedroom off to the right. You can see the neutral flooring is continuing throughout this home. It's very neutrally colored as well. It looks like the ceilings have been resurfaced with knockdown texture. It has an adequate sized closet in this bedroom. Very nice. Very clean. Has 2 panel doors. Let's take a walk into the guest bathroom area. First thing I notice in the guest bathroom area is the tile floors, and it has been recently renovated. It has knockdown texture on the ceiling. Does have a commode and a tub. It does look like it is a fiberglass tub and surround. It does look like it has glass bifold or trifold doors. Very nice. The sink is recently replaced with solid surface countertops. Those countertops are beautiful. They're solid surface. Very nice, very neutral. A lot of work has been put into this home in renovating it. Very nice. Let's take a walk back into the dining and living room areas. You can see it has the great room concept, very open space. You'll notice the ceilings are knockdown texture. Looks like the wall texture is orange peel. As we walk into the living room area, you can see that the laminate floors continue throughout. And we will take a peek at the swimming pool a little bit later. This home does have solid surface countertops in the kitchen. It does have ceramic tile flooring. Everything's neutral in this home. Has beautiful white cabinets. Looks like the appliances are stainless or graphite in color. That is the door that leads out into the garage. This home has been recently renovated, and you can see is in immaculate condition. It does have a stainless 2-bowl sink. I will video the spec sheet, give you the particulars on this home. This home is list priced at $473,900. It's located at 1411 Juarez Place here in the Villages, Florida. It is 2-bedroom with a den. And this is the specification sheet. As always, please contact the listing agent if you want more information on this home. Here's a sheet that lists all of the improvements that have been done to this home recently. Has a new roof in December of 2023. Here are the kitchen upgrades that have been completed on this home. Granite countertops. Lots of work has been done on this home recently. Newly paint on the walls, new vanities. Feel free to stop the video at any point so you can read all of the upgrades that have been done to this home. Let's continue and walk into the master bedroom. You can see the neutral laminate floors continue into the master bedroom. You can see the ceilings have been redone with the knockdown texture. Let's take a panoramic view. You can see the bathroom has been recently renovated. It does have a sliding glass barn door into the bathroom. There's been a lot of work done in this bathroom. You can see the tile floors. It does have 2 sinks. Lots of nice work done. Very bright, very light. It does have a closet off to the right. Walk-in closet with the laminate floors. It does have organizing shelving units in here. Very, very nice. Does have a sliding glass barn door on the walk-in closet area. This shower does look like it's a 48-inch shower. It does have sliding glass doors. Very nice, very new. The surround in that shower is tile, and it looks like glass tile as well. Very nice, very neat, very new. Okay, let's take a walk out into the living room area and to the Lanai area. And most importantly, the swimming pool area. There's the swimming pool looking out the master bedroom window. Let's take a walk out there. It does have a very large bird cage. Here is your living room area. Newly renovated. Very large space. Very open concept. Looks like you have new sliding patio doors as well, with the shades built in. Those are nice, very nice patio door. Here is a Lanai area. Looks like there's new paint in the Lanai area. Looks like it's painted concrete floor. It does lead out into the swimming pool area. Very, Nice swimming pool, very clean, very large bird cage in the swimming pool area. Let's finish off this Lanai area. Very, very nice. Lots of outdoor living in this home. Take a swing around and take a look at that kidney-shaped swimming pool. Everything has been repainted and redone. Very nice. Large, very large bird cage in that swimming pool area. This home has a lot of nice features. Take a look at what the home looks like, and what the Lanai area looks like. I will take a walk out into the backyard to show you what the yard and side yards look like. Let's take a walk. You can see that swimming pool is crystal clear. Awesome. Very nice. Very, very nice swimming pool area. That is your backyard. Let's take a look at the backyard and the side yard. This is your backyard area. It does have mature landscaping. This is a wood framed home. This is your backyard area. Large backyard. This is hard to find in the villages, is large backyards and side yards. That is your neighbor's yard over there. This is your side yard over here. This home does have an in-home filtration system. I will show you that. On the way out, it's located in the garage. You can see this is what the home looks like from the backyard. Let's take a walk and start exiting the home. As always, if you are interested, please contact the listing agent for more information on this home. This home is in very good condition. That is a newer sliding patio door with built-in shades. That is awesome. We'll continue. I will show you the filtration system in the garage. I'll give you another panoramic view of the kitchen and dining room area. So this is your living room area. That's your patio door out to the Lanai. Here's your kitchen area. It's your dining area. Very large, spacious home. Beautifully decorated. Let's take a walk out into the garage and show you the water filtration system. The laundry is in the garage. Those epoxy floors look fairly new. That is a water filtration system. Right there. Take one bit more panoramic view of the garage area. And we'll exit the home. I will do a panoramic view of the street. Again, this is located on a very quiet street in the village of Rio Ponderosa, here in the northern part of the villages. That view would be facing west. And this would be facing east down the street. And that is the front of the home right there. Thank you for joining, everybody. I do appreciate your subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Take care and have a great week. Thank you for watching this open home video. Located here at 1411 Juarez Way in the village of Rio Ponderosa in the northern part of the Villages. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.